Welcome to the captivating island of Sicily, a place where history, culture, and natural beauty converge to create a tapestry of experiences that have enchanted travelers for centuries. Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean, boasts a rich and diverse history that dates back millennia. As you explore this enchanting land, you'll encounter traces of ancient civilizations, from the Greeks and Romans to the Byzantines and Arabs, who left their mark on the island's culture, architecture, and cuisine. One of Sicily's most iconic landmarks is the majestic Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano. Its imposing presence dominates the eastern landscape and serves as a reminder of the island's volcanic origins. Hiking to the summit of Mount Etna offers breathtaking views and a sense of awe in the face of nature's power. Palermo, the capital of Sicily, is a city where history and modernity coexist harmoniously. The city's historic center is a labyrinth of narrow streets, bustling markets, and architectural wonders, including the impressive Palermo Cathedral and the Norman Palace, with its stunning Palatine Chapel. Sicily's coastal towns and cities, such as Taormina, Cefalù, and Syracuse, offer stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea, charming beaches, and a rich cultural heritage. Taormina, in particular, is renowned for its ancient Greek theater and the idyllic Isola Bella, a small island nature reserve. Sicily's culture is a unique blend of influences from various civilizations that have called the island home. This is reflected in its festivals, music, and art. The traditional puppet theater, known as Opera dei Pupi, is a captivating form of storytelling that has been preserved for generations. Sicily's natural beauty extends beyond Mount Etna to its pristine beaches, lush vineyards, and picturesque countryside. Your journey through Sicily is an exploration of a land where history and culture have intertwined for millennia. It's a reminder that the past is ever present, shaping the character and identity of the island and its people. As you traverse this enchanting land, consider the mark you will leave on the ongoing tapestry of time and how Sicily's beauty and history will influence your own story.